Hello, my wonderful creative. So today I am going to cover this completed junk journal. So I'm going to start here just painting it with gesso, and then I'm going to add some collage and use my palette knife and add some color. And then I'm going to add some lace and I'm going to create a closure. So I will let you watch the process. This is just an old book that I got from the dollar store, and it was the perfect size, so I didn't have to cut down any of my papers, which I absolutely love. And you'll see that it did split a little bit, and that's just because it's thick and chunky on the spine. So I am going to cover it with fabric. So I have this really cool fabric. I actually have a lot of stuff in one of my tubs because I taught a lot of mixed media classes, and I had fabric in this huge container for my students to use, so I got to use some of that stuff too. And I really wanted this to be kind of a blue-greeny, kind of cool, relaxing cover because I was really relaxed in this journal, and I absolutely love this junk journal. So I just picked kind of papers that inspired me. So I have textbook, and I have a dictionary page that someone sent me, and just really pretty tissue paper. I love that tissue paper. It looks like watercolor, and it has the green little leaf shapes. I love that. That's one of my favorite tissue papers, but really fun. So I hope you enjoy this process. I hope you guys are doing well. This is kind of an easy video this week. This took me maybe about an hour to do, and I always usually cover my journals at the end. I wait until they're completed because I am such a messy creator that it is much easier if I do it that way. So that's exactly what I do. And that's a little piece of dyed, what is that? Like where I wipe up things with baby wipes. So it's a really thin baby wipe. I get those kind from the dollar store. They're not as thick as like the Huggy ones, and they work really, really well for collage. So it's really fun. So the only thing that takes a really long time in this process is just waiting for things to dry. So you have to wait a little bit for everything to dry, and then you just work in layers. But you'll see here, I'm just going to turn it over and start on the next page, and that's about it. So I will let you watch. I hope you're doing great. Please like this video and share it with your friends. That helps me to get discovered. And I hope you guys are doing well. Make sure you hit the notification bell too. Okay, and I will see you next week. Bye guys. Take care. Happy creating.